Peace and love, everybody. This is Young Nas from iGotOptions LLC, and in this video I want to talk about why Nvidia shot up 7% today. Alright, now this is not typical Nvidia behavior. If you monitor Nvidia on a day-to-day basis, you know what Nvidia did today is quite out of pocket. Alright, now from a technical perspective, there's nothing that explains this. And from a fundamental perspective, if you just do the bare minimum, it doesn't seem like that either. However, there actually is a logical explanation for why Nvidia shot up like this. And it's because of a fundamental reason. Now, believe it or not, Nvidia shot up today because of Facebook. Alright, I know that may sound crazy, but you gotta keep in mind, these two companies are in the same sector or in the same industry. And the reason why Facebook caused Nvidia to shoot up like this is because they reported their earnings today. They did beat their earnings estimates and their revenue estimates. However, that still caused the stock to tank. However, you might be thinking to yourself, why does this explain Nvidia's behavior? And we have to take a step further. We literally have to take a look at Facebook's earning report. So with that being said, I have up a copy of Facebook's earning report right here. And we see a bunch of different paragraphs just going over different financials, their net income, their tax rates, a whole bunch of stuff. But if we go over to Cfo Outlook Commentary and we look at these two paragraphs in particular, these will give us the answers that we're looking for. Alright, so I'm going to read them to you real quick. We expect 2021 total expenses to be in the range of $70 to $71 billion, updated from our prior outlook of $70 to $73 billion. Then it says we anticipate our 2022 total expenses to be in the range of $91 to $97 billion. Alright, driven by investments in technical and infrastructure related costs. Alright, so essentially what Facebook is trying to say is that they're going to be spending $20 billion more to basically invest in their infrastructure. So with that being said, let's go into this last paragraph. It says, we expect 2021 capital expenditures to be about $19 billion. For 2022, we expect capital expenditures to be in the range of $29 to $34 billion. This is driven by our investments in data centers, servers, network infrastructure, and office facilities. Alright, so this is basically playing off of that first paragraph. Notice some key words here. Data centers, servers, network. Alright, these are some of the key things that make Facebook what it is. Alright, now with that being said, what is one company that's tied into data centers, servers, and network infrastructure that has been known to work in the past with Facebook? There's one well-known company that comes to mind, and that is Nvidia itself. Alright, so Nvidia is that company that they're talking about. They're essentially going to be investing their money into Nvidia to help provide Facebook with those improved data centers, those improved network infrastructures. Alright, so essentially investors picked up on that and they were like, alright, let me step away from Facebook. Let me look at what's helping you become Facebook. Alright, so this is why Nvidia shot up 7% today.